Welcome to the tutorial on the image element. In order to use images, you simply click on the element or drag it into the editor. You click on it again. And here you can see on the right hand side the editing possibilities you have. You can choose to upload a file from your computer. It uploads and you see it in the editor. You can save the lesson and see what it looks like. Go back to the editor. You can choose for it to be resizable. Remember to refresh to see. You can also choose to set a width for it, to use a frame around the image, as you see here, to add text to the image. Save the lesson, refresh the page, and see the results of your interactions. That is the image element.